Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again with a new strategy, and this strategy will be known as a strong candlestick strategy. So now you can see this candle has to close as a bearish. It will close as a bearish 110%. So now you can see I won my first trade here. Now in this strategy, what you need to do is, okay, now if the candle comes down, okay, now I can go here with the buyers. Now you will see the market will definitely go up and it will close as a bullish, so no issues at all. This candle will not come back again in a downwards direction. The candle will definitely go up and will close as a bullish. So this strategy is a strong candlestick strategy. Now you can see market wants to go up and it will go up and it will not come back again. Okay, so this strategy will be the part of my course, so no issues. We need to focus on our trading right now. Okay, now you can see I won this trade because of this strong candlestick strategy. Now this is a strong candle, but okay, if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade. Okay, this candle will close as a bearish for sure. This running candle will definitely close as a bearish, so it will not go up at all. So I need to focus on another market. Okay, in USD CHF, what I'm seeing here a weak candle. Okay, no issues. You can see market is going down and this candle will close as a bearish, so strong candlestick strategy will work here. Now you can see, okay, so now again you can see, okay, now if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction. Okay, now this running candle will also go down and it will close as a bearish for sure. Now you will see the candle has to go down and it has to close as a bearish. Okay, now again I got a rejection. I took two more trades because I got here a strong confirmation of the candle that the next move will be a bearish move and the market will close below our entry points. Now you will see the strong candlestick strategy and the continuation candlestick strategy will work here. Now you will see market is trying to go down and it has to close as a bearish. Okay, so I won my trade. Now let's move. Okay, now I cannot trust this area, so I need to change my pair. Okay, in this area, okay, if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade. Now this candle will go down and it will close as a bearish for sure, because I'm seeing here a strong candlestick strategy and I'm following the rules, so therefore the next candle has to go down. So this candle will definitely close as a bearish. It will get a rejection again. It has to come down again. Now you can see my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick and it has to close as a bearish. Let's see. Okay, it is coming down. Okay, now you can see I won my trade here. So this is how the strong candlestick strategy will work in the future. So this strategy will be the part of my course. So this strategy will be known as strong candlestick strategy. So now you can see this is strong candle strategy will work for us for sure. So there is no doubt and there is no issues in this candlestick strategy. So now I have few strategies which I want to discuss with you all. So the strong candlestick strategy, the first one, let me show you here. This will be okay. So I have few strategies which will be the part of my course. So the first one is real level strong continuation candle. Okay, strong continuation candle. So this will be the first. The second one, formation of patterns. Okay, so number 3, strong candlestick strategy with rules. Number 4, zone trading. On each and every candlestick. So zone trading will be there. Number 5, real SNR, and number 6, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so now in my upcoming course these topics will be the part of our course, and we will definitely get a good amount of information from them. So now you can see I want to show you here my trades. I took my trade here. So the requirement for the strong candlestick will be, now you can see I am following the rules and I'm getting here an ITM. So because of that I got here an ITM. So now you can see again I followed a strong candle. Now you can see market went up. Again I followed a strong candle move. So this candle worked as a sign of continuation. So now you can see again I followed a strong candle, and what I got here a winning trade. So the rules will be in the course, and I will provide you the rules. I will give you the information that how can you take easily your trades by following these strategies. So if you have one strategy, a good strategy, it is enough for you. If you have 2, it is much better for you. If you have 3, it is good for you. If you have 4, this will be the best for you. So now if you have only 4 strategies, 4 topics about confirmed trades, now in those I will add also the rejection strategy. Okay, I will add here breakout strategy, real or fake breakout strategy. So if you have these 6 topics, you will get each and every point after 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, but always follow the rules. If you follow the rule, your winning ratio will be 90%. If you are not following the rules, then don't trade. Then don't trade at all. So now you can see here. Okay, let me try to show you here. Okay, so now this candle is a continuation sign here. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to see a level. So the real level, the good real level is here. So now the next candle, okay, a strong candle now. Okay, now this time the next candle has to go down. So let's see. Okay, now if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction in upcoming. Okay, now you will see this move will ensure this thing that the next candle will be a bearish candle. So now you can see here in this zone I am only following one thing. I am following here my strong candlestick strategy move. So it means that this running candle has to close as a bearish. So I took here so many trades. Now you can see each and every candlestick is going down and going up as per my confirmation and prediction. So you will get all these in my upcoming course, and it will help you all for sure. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and be the part of trading skill group. The link is in the description, and you can follow us on Telegram. Our channel is trading skills, and in this channel you will get most of rare things that no one will tell you. So I'm trying to give you an idea with each and every video that how can you easily learn and how can you easily earn after that. So stay blessed you all. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now. See ya.